It's showtime!
Oh god, he's pissed!
Tornado or what?
I should kick your f***ing ass!
Oh, here we go. 1.5.
The following is a statewide monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Missouri State Highway Patrol in Jefferson City and coordinated with the local broadcasters in your community. This is only a test.
From the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security Agency, this is the required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System.
Why Georgia?
This is a coordinated monthly local test of the emergency alert system originating from the EAS
What? What was that? Bruh, 7 minutes later, you failed. Whatever.
Sunday. This is a test of the NOAA weather radio. Weather, an emergency situation. Automatically active at Lafayette. Just outside the answer. This test is normally conducted briefly around 11 a.m. If hazardous weather is imminent or occurring, the test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert zone will only be activated for the following counties and EAS sites. The alert zone will only be activated for the following counties in the CX 542 listening area in Illinois: Marion, Vaughn, Clinton, Fayette in the afternoon, lows in the upper 50s. Chance of precipitation. Thank you. Here is the regional forecast summary.
Okay. I don't know what's going on, but St. Louis is really wacky today. Because, number one, oh yeah, KXI-79 is off the air. St. Louis, what smoke drugs are you smoking? It's 420, man. What the, man?